If you are new to Storeganise and you have an active self-storage facility, you have the ability to bulk import your existing customer rental information. In Storeganise, a unit rental is created by combining an existing user profile with an existing unit. So you must first ensure that your user and unit information is created and up to date. To begin preparing your customer unit rental information, you need to access the import template. To do this, navigate to your site in the management portal, click on the Units tab, then click on the three dots button. Select Import Unit Rentals. In the window that opens, click on this template to open the import template in a new tab. Next, you'll need to make a copy of this template so you can edit it. Click on the File button and select Make a Copy from the drop-down. Enter a name for your document and choose where you'd like to save it. Alternatively, you can download the document as an Excel file and prepare it using any spreadsheet software of your choice. Within the import template, you will only be utilizing the Unit Rentals sheet here. In this sheet, the columns that are highlighted in yellow are required fields, while the columns in white are optional fields related to more advanced information about the unit rental. If your unit rental data includes complex details like ongoing promotions, charges, or prepayments that have already been collected, we recommend reaching out to a Storeganise support representative for personalized assistance in preparing your rental import. Otherwise, preparing the import document to link existing users with your units at the correct location is quick and straightforward. Let's go through each required column in yellow to understand what they are and how to enter the correct information. The first required field is the site code, where you should enter the code for your facility. You can find this code by navigating to the Advanced Settings tab of your site in the Management portal. Next, the unit name field must match the exact name of the unit as entered in Storeganise that the customer is renting. If you need to, you can quickly export a list of all unit names from the Management portal by clicking on the Units tab in your site and exporting the name data point. In the State column, choose Occupied for customers currently renting the unit or Reserved for customers with upcoming scheduled move-in dates. The Owner email field is where you'll enter the email address of the customer, which must match an existing user profile in your Storeganise account. Just like with units, you can export a list of all users from the Management portal to verify email addresses if necessary. This is done by navigating to the Users page and exporting the email data point. Including their first and last name is also helpful for identifying the correct customers. For the Deposit field, enter the deposit amount collected from the customer when they initially moved in, if applicable. Enter 0 if you did not collect any deposit. The price column should contain the monthly rental price for the unit. Finally, the start date must be entered in the format year-month-date, indicating the date the customer moved in. There are two additional fields that, while not required, are helpful to be aware of. You can use the end date column if any of your current customers have future move-outs already scheduled. And lastly, if your operation uses anniversary billing, enter the individual day of the month for their invoice period in the invoice date column. Once you've entered all the necessary information, download the sheet as a CSV file. Then return to the Storeganise Management portal, click on the Units tab, followed by the three dots button, and select Import Unit Rentals. In the window that opens, click Import and select your CSV file. The system will ask if you would like to proceed and also indicate the total amount of rentals to be imported. If there are any issues with the import file, you'll receive a notification with details about the specific problems, and you can download an error report for more information. If everything is correct, all of your customer rental information will be imported, and Storeganise will begin picking up your invoicing as determined by your account settings. That's it. You've now learned how to bulk import your customer rental information into Storeganise. For more complex data or additional assistance, feel free to contact Storeganise support.